wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So because today's video is sponsored by E.l.f. Cosmetics, I will bring you some first impressions, little mini reviews on a couple of their newest launches. I know you've seen them, but if you want to hear more about them, then let's go. So the first new launch I have is their new acne fighting Putty Primer. You know, it's probably one of their most popular products that they have. Putty Primer, but just this one I believe has ingredients that will combat acne. So it says the skin perfecting Putty Primer effortlessly glides over the skin to smooth over imperfections and grips makeup for all day wear. With 1.8% salicylic acid, this primer helps prevent the development of new acne while reducing the appearance of pores and redness due to acne for a clear and poreless complexion. So, it's got, right, my eyes are not deceiving me. This is what I got LASIK for so I could see. It's green, right? Right? It's not just the packaging. I like this. So this is what it looks like, classic E.l.f. packaging, and I know I wasn't tripping. It's legit like a greenish color. Y'all already know with me, my favorite color is green. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this in my T-zone. Okay, at least it doesn't have like any hues to it, right? You know, it doesn't give you a green tint or anything like that. Y'all know I like to smell everything, but I don't smell any scent with this. So moving on to the next launch, if y'all didn't know, they have launched Putty Bronzers. Okay, hello, look at those colors. Okay, when I tell y'all I ran to the website, not walked, ran to the website when they announced it a couple days ago. I got two colors, I think. Are they the last two shades? They might be, but I got this shade, ooh, Cabana Cutie. That looks like this, and then I got Beach Please. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. I didn't know which one to get, so I thought maybe I could get one, and depending on how it looks, I could use that as a bronzer shade, and then the other one I could use as a contour shade, because it looks like, what is this? Cabana Cutie has a little more warmth to it. Come on, so Cabana Cutie looks like this. Look at that, my hands can actually fit in the pans. So this is Cabana Cutie. Maybe they can't fit that well. And then Beach Please looks like that. So you see the difference between the two? This one's warmer, this one's cooler, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use Cabana Cutie as my bronzer shade, and I'm gonna use Beach Please as my contour. What do they say about these? Say hello to sun-kissed skin. This putty to powder bronzer blends seamlessly into the skin and leaves the complexion looking bronzed and beautiful, infused with argan oil and vitamin E. This non-greasy buildable formula transforms from a cream to a semi-matte powder to give you a natural bronze or soft contour for the perfect sun-kissed glow. Okay, she's giving kind of like start small and build up, so kept it simple on the beat today since we're not doing lashes, because the last new launch I've talked about is their new mascara. This is their new Big Mood Mega Volume and Lifting Mascara. What do they say about this? Get big mood energy with this dramatically volumizing, lengthening, and lifting mascara. Clean and vegan, this formula is infused with jojoba oil to leave lashes feeling nourished. An hourglass-shaped brush with 250 intertwined bristles lifts and separates lashes, creating an intense, bigger, and a bolder look. With staying power that gives you long-wearing lash energy, this mascara is a big mood. Okay, y'all know I got baby lashes, so let's see. All right, let's see what she's giving. And that is it for my face taste and my thoughts on the new things that I tried. The Putty Primer, I don't know if y'all know, but they've got like a couple different variations of it. I've tried a majority of them. The original Putty Primer is a good one. So at this point, I feel like if you're thinking of getting it, it just boils down to you getting the right one for your skin type or your skin concerns. Like this one is acne fighting. There's the matte, there's the original. I think there's a glow one. Don't quote me on that one. So, you know, someone like me, I've got sensitive, acne prone, oily skin, combination skin. So I'd, you know, narrow it down to the matte or the acne one, other stuff like that. If your concern is acne, then like get the acne version. So I feel like it really just comes down to getting the one that suits your needs. But for the most part, they all pretty much work the same. You know, they just might have some slight differences in finishes or, you know, slight differences in ingredients for this, that, and the third. So that's that on the Putty Primer. And I feel like my makeup applied on top how it would if I was using like the original Putty Primer. The bronzers, listen, I feel like I tried new e.l.f. stuff and I just be like, listen, e.l.f., I see you, okay? Because hello, on the colors, I like that the undertones of these are like varying because, you know, some people do want bronzers with a little bit, you know, cooler of an undertone. Some people want the warmer, but it's not, you see how it's not like warm, like straight up, it's making me reddish type warm undertone. So I like that about this. And I like that it is, you know, the putty creamish type formula to a powder finish because again, I've got oily skin and, you know, it's doing what it needs to do and it will hold up better on my skin type because it's a powder. Well, it finishes down to more of a powder finish, and I like that, you know, I can use it as bronzer or as a contour. And for the mascara, it makes me look like I have lashes, right? I don't ask for much. It makes me look like I have lashes, but it's not one of those like messy mascaras. You know the ones I'm talking about where you take the wand out of the bottle or the tube and it's like gooey and stuff like that, easier to get all over the place. It's not one of those, so it does what it has to do like effortlessly, so I don't have to worry about any of that. I don't have to worry about, you know, like messing up stuff like that. Those are my thoughts on these products, and most importantly, it's e.l.f. Okay, and I say it's e.l.f. to mean it's e.l.f. So you are most likely not going to break the bank picking up these products if you want to try them. So you're getting pretty, for the most part, spot on products. Y'all know I did the video last year where I was just like, wait a minute, let me find out that I've been sleeping on e.l.f. I really was sleeping on those glosses from e.l.f. though. But, you know, let me find out I've been sleeping on their products because they've got quality products, stuff like that. And I found that I had that reaction often to the newer stuff I've tried since I did that video. So you're getting pretty quality products for a pretty quality price. Who can be mad at that, right? So everything I tried will be linked in the description down below. Make sure you check that out. I hope if any of you were interested in seeing any of this stuff tested out, that this video has helped. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.